Next training. So in this training, we'll be talking about applying for Taboola as a publisher and how to place the ad codes. So so the process is pretty simple in terms of applying for Taboola publisher, but keep in mind that you will have to scale up the traffic to a minimum of 500,000 page views. Yeah, it takes a bit of time to get some data into your analytics and actually getting 500,000 page views in Taboola as a publisher. Uh, so if you are good enough and have some budget, you can scale up easily with Taboola as an advertiser bidding in third world countries and scaling up the traffic. Uh, so I am already in Taboola publisher, so I'll be just showing how to apply for a Taboola publisher and how to place the ad codes. So keeping that in mind, with respect to Taboola, right? So for you to apply for a publisher, all you need to do is, go to publishers, so taboola.com/publishers. Mhm. And then, so let's say now, like you have achieved 500,000 page views minimum monthly. So you can just go to their site and click on contact. So Taboola is not like Google, so they take time to respond with respect to accepting as a new publisher. So I would like to describe myself as a publisher looking to monetize site. You give your email ID, you give your first name, last name, and country and website URL. So here is where the thing is. So if you are going to give less than 150,000 page views per month, it's pretty open that you're not going to get approved. If it is going to be more than 150,000 to 250,000, yes, there's a chance that they will approve. But I am looking at about 250k to 500,000 traffic a month, and then you give the company name, and then just type in that I would like to become Taboola publisher, and just submit it. Just click on the get the latest tips box. So then what happens is Taboola immediately will trigger you an email, and then like they will get back to you asking for some details about your Google Analytics screenshot and a few more things. Like they will ask for some requirement, and it might take about some 3 to 4 days once they check in your traffic that you drive, and then like if you really have 500,000 page views, so like they will approve it, and let's say they approve it. Now this is how your dashboard will look like. um, So if you are both an advertiser and a publisher, so here you have a campaign summary, and here you have a performance as in publisher's summary, right? So this is my earning over last week, and then I roughly make about 10,000 rupees a week as an ad revenue. So net, what happens is whatever I spent in Taboola, I get back as in Taboola publisher. So I also have Google AdSense codes, right? So whatever I earn from Google AdSense is my complete profit, right? So that's how it works. So for your simple sense how actually Taboola ad looks like, right? So this is one of my site, and then I basically I have AdSense code here, AdSense code in the right side bar, and here you see something called, you may also like, sponsored link. This is basically Taboola's ad. And then on the bottom also you see something called Taboola Feed. So these are all advertisers in Taboola, and then yeah, once you drive traffic and they click on this particular ad, and you will get you will start making in revenue. So, and placement of ad code is also pretty simple. So once you are approved, Taboola doesn't have a dashboard like Google for you to create ad codes. What they do is they typically send you the ad codes like this. You see here. So how to place the ad codes in a sidebar. So what I do is I go to my WordPress dashboard, and I go to appearance and widgets. So you see in the right side, uh, just next to social box, and I have my AdSense ad, and then below that there's a Taboola ad, right? So I go to widgets. So this is a social counter. This is the AdSense ad, and then you see custom HTML sponsored. So this is the Taboola ad code, and then all you need to do is just copy and paste here, and then just click on save, and Taboola will start showing up the ads. So this is with respect to the sidebar. And let's say now you want to place it below your article like this. So which is called as a Taboola Feed. So all you need to do is that that's get little technical. So what you need to do is you should go to theme editor, and same like we did for Smart List 6, which is includes, right. So what you need to do is you should click on JS, and then you will go to loop single.php. You see the Taboola ad code on line number 28, right? So below article thumbnails. So you go to appearance editor and loop single 6.php. So you will have to place the ad code and just update the file. So this is how we'll place the ad code for in sidebar and below article. uh, so that's it for applying for Taboola Publisher and placing the ad codes. So next training will be talking more about like scaling up and making more revenue out of Taboola and Google AdSense. So like for example, in this side, one of my side, you also see two sticky ads, right, on the right side and the left side. So this is not an AdSense, or this is not a Taboola ad. So this is an ad exchange network that I have been running. So I have three sources of income. One is Google AdSense. Then I also earn from Google Ad Exchange, and then I also earn from Google Taboola as a publisher. So that's how it becomes profitable. So in the next video, we'll be talking more about scaling up your earnings, and let's see in the next video. Thank you.